Hey guys, welcome to Yomi Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Alexa device as a Bluetooth speaker so that you can play your YouTube videos, your podcasts, anything that's on your phone that has sound. You can use your Alexa device as a speaker, so you don't have to use any Alexa apps or Alexa skills to be able to play music through. You can just use the Alexa device as a speaker, and I'll show you how to do that. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the Alexa app, and I have my Alexa device right here, and you want to go into settings, and then you want to go into the settings in your Alexa, and then you want to go to device settings, and then mine is called Yomi's Echo Dot. So you go into your Alexa device and whatever it's called, and there where you see where it says Bluetooth devices, you click on that, and then we're going to click on pair a new device. So we'll click on pair a new device. So Alexa is searching for a device to connect with, but you have to go back into your settings, your Bluetooth settings, and there you'll see the Echo AACL. That's my device. So you want to connect with that. And you see that it's connected.
Already now? S iPhone. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
So Alexa tells you that it's connected, and now all you have to do when you want to connect Alexa to your phone is, as she said with the prompts, connect my phone.
Searching. You're already connected to Already Now? S iPhone. To connect a different device, go to the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device and choose Echo ACL.
So now Alexa is connected, so we'll see we can skip this step. So that's my phone, that's my iPhone. So that's shows you that it's connected. I can disconnect the device if I no longer want to use it, or I can click forget device if I want to disconnect the Bluetooth from my iPhone. So now let's test this out. Let's go on to some podcasts and let's see if we can play a podcast. Let's see, let's play this one. And you can hear it. I can put up the volume.
We had to go over railroad tracks on bridges.
So that's a podcast playing.
And
let's try another one.
The committee being checked by the police there.
But here's the amazing thing, is that when you ship a number of features...
And that's another podcast. Let's play Spotify. So let's go to the Spotify app. And there's Spotify.
A lot of social consumer products, ultimately engage someone based on something...
Actually, let's go to SoundCloud. And we're going to play this song here. And that's SoundCloud. As you can see, it's playing. So that's how you hook up your Amazon Alexa device. Alexa thinks I'm talking to her. So that's how you hook up your device, your Alexa device, to your phone and use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So if you guys have any questions on how to do this, how to hack this feature, leave your comments below and I'll be sure to help you out. All right, guys. See you soon.